Good morning everyone. In today's video of MIS Management Information System, I am going to start Unit 5. The name of Unit 5 is Managing IT, means Managing Information Technology. IT stands for Information Technology. Here is the first topic, use or application of IT, means Information Technology in business organization. So today I will discuss what is the use or applications of IT information technology in business organization. As we know, everything is technology nowadays. Technologies are very much used which provide information also. As we know, internet, mobile, in various app of mobile smartphones are information technology. So what is information technology? What is the use of information technology in any business or organization is here. Let's study. Information technology or IT has become a vital and integral part of every business plan. IT means information technology has become an important, vital means important, and integral means main or core part of every business plan. Means in today's era, we can't do anything without technology. Everything is technology now. We must have technology to do more and more good things. Only those companies which are having good technology can survive nowadays in market. Otherwise, they will lose the customers. They will fail in business. From MNC, multinational companies or corporations. MNC means multinational companies, means the companies or corporations which are having many nations, which are working in many nations, who maintain mainframe systems. As we know, there are 4 categories of computer systems as supercomputer, mainframe, mini, micro. So mainframe system is the one category of any computer system. And database, as we know, DBMS, database management system, means technologies are used everywhere from in any MNC or multinational company or corporations, and the company which uses mainframe systems and DBMS, to small business also that own a single computer only. IT plays an important role. Means IT is used everywhere. IT हर जगह यूज होती है. The reasons for the omnipresent. Omnipresent means everywhere, सर्वव्यापी or everywhere. Means IT is everywhere in any organization. It is like the lifeblood of any organization. Means any company or business can't exist without any information technology. So the reasons for omnipresent use of computer technology in business can best be determined by looking at how it's being used across the business world. So let's see how in business or organization IT is used. So IT has many applications. As first application, IT is used for communication between employees. Employees means workers in a company. Supplier is the person who supplies us raw material, कच्चा माल. For example, if we want to manufacture sugar from sugarcane, the sugarcane is provided by supplier. And customer we know is the person who purchases any goods. So IT is helpful for communication between employees, suppliers and customers. So communication nowadays also we know communication is done with the help of any information technology. Mobile phone is the information technology, internet is information technology, and various apps like WhatsApp and various chatting things like social media is also information technology. So communication is done with every individual in an organization with the help of IT. Second, IT helps for inventory management systems. Inventory means stock. The things which we ask for vendors to supply us, it's called saman or stock or inventory. So we can maintain or manage our inventory with the help of technology. Next, DBMS, database management systems. In this also technology is very much used for managing the data of users. Next, MIS. We are studying this subject, MIS. Here also technology is very much used. MIS itself is a system management. It is management information system. It is a system which provides us information. So yes, MIS also uses technology. And last but not least, CRM. as I have discussed CRM before it. In Unit 6 also I have discussed. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is also an information system which provides us information, and it also uses technology to maintain or manage customer relationship, so that we can manage our old customers, so that they should not leave our organization and they can come in our organization again and again. For that, customers are maintained, customers are retained, old customers are retained. Let's CRM. So every system here, everything in all the 5 examples, technology is very much important. So that's the role or use or applications of IT, technology, information technology in business or any organization. So today I have discussed this topic. It's an easy topic. Just learn it. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.